Today, I'm going to show you how to insert multiple rows in Google Sheets, and even how to automate it if you find yourself doing it a lot. Imagine you have a sheet with months like this. We need to insert February between January and March. Inserting multiple rows manually. Select as many rows as you want to insert. For example, if you want to add 3 rows, select 3 rows where you want them to appear. Right-click Insert X rows above/below. Now you can enter February and any other months in those new rows. Automating with a macro. If you frequently insert the same number of rows, you can record a macro to save time. Go to Extensions, Macros, Record Macro. Choose Use Relative References, so it works wherever your cursor is. Perform the action. Select Rows. Insert the rows below. Click Save. Give your macro a name like Insert 3 rows below. Now, anytime you want to insert 3 rows, just run the macro. Extensions, Macros, Insert 3 rows below, and it will insert the rows wherever your cursor is. This is perfect for project trackers, monthly reports, or any sheet where you frequently need to add multiple rows.